So the question says that a packing company is doing an inventory of boxes. Their most popular box is displayed over here with the measurements, and the volume of the box is 40 feet cube. What is the volume of X? What is the value of X? And we have to find out the length and width of the box. From the figure we can write that length is equal to 3x minus 5. Width we can write that is 2x minus 1, and height is 2 feet actually, and volume is equal to 40 feet cube. So we know that for the square shape we have volume equals to length into width into height. So volume we have 40, and so it is 3x minus 5 into 2x minus 1 and then 2. We will divide both sides by 2. It will give us 20 equals to 3x minus 5 into 2x minus 1. We will expand the right hand side. It will give us 20 equals to 6x square minus 13x minus 15. We will factorize right hand side. Now on factorization of the right hand side, we will have 0 equals to 6x plus 5 into x minus 3. Now by zero product property, we can write that x is equals to minus 5 by 6 and 3. Since x is equal to minus 5 by 6, it gives negative length and width. Then it's extraneous, hence x is equal to 3. Now using the value of x, we can calculate that length is equal to 3 into 3 minus 5, that is 4 feet, and width is equal to 2 into 3 minus 1, that is equal to 5 feet. So here we have our solution for the given question.